T-Mobile gateway disconnections often stem from three key issues: signal strength, gateway placement, and interference. A strong 5G signal should ideally be minus 70 dB members or better. T-Mobile uses mid-band 2.5 GHz and high-band millimeter-wave frequencies, which are fast but can weaken over distance or through walls. Proper placement involves elevating the gateway, ideally near a window, to achieve a clear line of sight to the nearest cell tower. Avoid metal obstacles, which can interfere with the signal. Interference can originate from Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, microwaves, or neighboring 5G signals. T-Mobile gateways use dynamic frequency selection, DFS, to automatically switch to less crowded channels. Start troubleshooting by checking for firmware updates and verifying tower proximity using T-Mobile's coverage map. To fix disconnections, first optimize gateway placement for best signal strength. Experiment with different locations, keeping it elevated and clear of obstructions. Next, minimize interference by separating the gateway from other electronic devices, especially Wi-Fi routers. Use T-Mobile's app for real-time signal diagnostics and troubleshoot disconnections proactively. Consider upgrading to a weatherproof external antenna or using signal boosters for improved gain, especially in rural areas or dense urban environments with building interference. Ensure your gateway has the latest firmware, v1.4 or later as of mid-2025, which includes automated channel switching and error correction. Finally, check T-Mobile's community forums for user-driven solutions specific to your situation.